So when we were finally in a position to design gear for ourselves with creating this company, one of the first things that came to mind was a sling. These things have gotten crazy with all the different attachment methods and stuff hanging off of them and this and that. We wanted to go back to the basics and create a sling that was designed to keep the rifle attached to your body if you go hands-free. The Minimo is what we came up with. So what makes our sling different is, again, the streamlined nature of it. This thing is under 2 ounces in its configuration straight out of the box. We are using 3/4 inch nylon versus the 1 inch or 1 1/4 or 1.5 inches that you're seeing on all the other slings out there. Again, just reducing bulk, reducing the amount of material that can get caught on things. And again, it does exactly what it needs to do. We are including 550 cord out of the box with this thing. One of the benefits of it, you can attach it to any weapon system. So, if we're running AKs or subguns or AR platforms, it doesn't matter. We weren't happy with the hardware that was already on the market, so we went out and actually manufactured our own. So from the slider that allows the adjustment of the sling to the loops that attach the pieces together, they're all manufactured in-house to our spec. So when you buy a Minimo Sling, it's ready to go, be mounted right to a rifle, right out of the box, okay? So the way that we're doing this, we're using 550 cord for both the front and the rear. If you want to use QDs or some of the other methods that are out there, you can also run those on this sling as well. One of the many benefits of using the 550 cord on both either the front or the rear, it is a lot less snag hazard that's going to happen with it. The nature of the 550 cord allows you to manipulate the weapon either from shoulder to shoulder or in awkward shooting positions a lot easier without getting caught up on just the webbing that typically is found. We set out to make this thing, there's no bells and whistles on it. It's exactly what we needed, nothing that it's not. So